Now I'll show you the biggest failure of my life. I'll not tell you about it, rather show it to you. That what was it? At the age of 21, after I made the world record, it came to my mind that I want to write a book on marketing. And I was a college dropout. I left college in third year. Now I went to the publishers that this is how I have written a book on marketing and I want you to publish it. So they used to talk very formally saying, yeah, have a seat. So where have you done your MBA from? I said, listen, I have no MBA. I am a college dropout. So they said, no, this is not the way. We can't publish it. And all the publishers refused wherever I went. But I said, I'll do it myself. I will publish this book, come what may. I got it published, and here's that book right in front of you that I wrote at the age of 21 on marketing. Now, what is so special about this book? It's written on it that it's one of the most unusual books in the world, one of the strangest. Why? Because almost all the books in English open this way, like this, but this one opens from here. This is the first page of this book. This is the second one. This is the third. This is the fourth one, and this is the fifth. So it's a reversed book. A reversed book. Reversed. The word spread that a photographer has written a reversed book. People talk about doing something out of the box, something different. I think it's all pointless. You hang yourself upside down from a tree and say it's different. It's pointless, no? There has to be a reason. So the reason why this book is reversed was written on the first page at that time. And the reason was, a big reason, if you can't even change the way you read, how can you change the way you think? That is, if you can't even change the simplest of your habits, how will you change your life? Just leave it. This book is not meant for you. And that's what happened. People took it seriously. They said, okay, if you don't want us to read it, so be it. Out of the 1,000 copies I got published, just 150 got sold. And the remaining 850 copies were taking a lot of space in the house. Because it was a small house with a studio and all of us packed together. So my mother gave them to a ragman. So a decent failure. Maybe you will see some grams wrapped in the pages of that book. Failure, that too a big one. Didn't know why this happened. Not at that time, but today I know. This book failed, but to write this book, I read countless books. And while doing so, my fertile land got plowed so many times, that everything became easy for me.